How to find the right jobs on Upwork. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Next, click on Find Work from the top menu. This is where you can search for jobs that match your skills and expertise. Use the search bar to type keywords related to your services, such as graphic design, content writing, or web development. You can also apply filters to narrow down results by category, experience level, client rating, budget, and project length. Check each job posting carefully. Read the description, requirements, and client expectations. Look for projects that match your skills, experience, and availability. Avoid jobs that seem unclear, underpaid, or suspicious. Save jobs that interest you by clicking the Save button. This helps you organize potential projects and apply later. When you are ready to apply, write a personalized proposal tailored to the client's needs. Highlight your experience, relevant skills, and how you can deliver results. Now you know how to find the right jobs on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.